What is up, guys? I'm back in this trimaran here. If you haven't yet, please do subscribe. You'll get a notification for this and other jobs we have going on. I just laid the glass on this. Probably just set up enough for me to cut it, I hope. There's some not peel away, peel ply. That's what it is. I put on here. Kind of smooths it out nice and nice. That went well. Check that out. Same thing here. I wrapped it all the way underneath nicely. Put this out of the way. So this is one spot at the top that's going to need a little fiber, and once we get to it, a little bit of deck paint, non-skin stuff. Just leave that there, let that harden up. This is the area. Couple little spots on this, so I have to sand out here and there before I spray. Same thing on this one. And I've got this railing off. I mean, this stuff is hollow, so in fact I should just cut this away for now. So probably what I'm gonna do, these were tightened up pretty tight, and this glass on the outside and inside is pretty thin, so I'm thinking maybe the best thing to do, I mean typically maybe I will do it from the top. I was gonna do something from the bottom, but there's such a small space here to work in, and typically I would use a hole saw and drill it out and give it a little bit more, you know, thickness. I'd much rather do it from the bottom, regardless, actually. I could use one of those oscillating tools, I suppose. I could pick one up and probably cut that, but this will be pretty solid and hopefully sealed. It's got about this much glass underneath this top layer, which should seal it up on both sides. Yeah, let's let that sit. There's nothing about these ones, right? Well, these ones aren't separated. Alright, well this is looking pretty good. Once this is dry, I'll hit it, I'll touch it with a grinder, especially kind of right around the edge here. Stir it out a little bit better. It's got some round edges, and then just gel coat the whole thing. Just gel coat this whole thing, clean it up. Gel coat. I have to resolve this one way or another. So go ahead and subscribe, and you'll see that in the next video. Thanks a lot, guys, for watching. If you made it this far, you made it pretty far.